Whew. I kind of wonder where we could find some clues for today.
A clue!
Oh, it sure is getting hot in here. Oh,
A clue!
wait, what? You found a clue? Where?
Right there!
Oh, right here. And it's on this fan. Huh, okay. Well, we need a fan, I think, during the summertime, in case if it gets really hot. Well, we can draw this fan in our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. It's been a while since I used this notebook. Okay, so let's draw a fan. Let's draw a circle, and then a smaller circle inside, and then some curvy lines around like this, 2 lines down for a stand, and a curvy line here, and we have a fan. And we have our first clue.
A clue! A clue!
Wait, what? You found our second clue? Is it down here?
No.
No. Where is it?
Right there!
Oh, right here. And it's another kind of fan. It's a ceiling fan. Huh. Okay. It's the kind of fan that you would put into your room. Well, we could put this fan in our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. Okay. A ceiling fan. Let's draw 2 lines here, and a circle right here, and then some curvy lines around like this, and there. A ceiling fan. And we have our second clue.
Mail time.
Oh, the mail's here. Let's go.
Hey.